We're having pan-seared whitefish with white wine and garlic butter sauce. Start out by checking to make sure there's no bones in your fillets. If you find any, pull them out. We're going to season these on both sides with salt, pepper, a little bit of the white wine and garlic butter seasoning, and some dill. Add your olive oil and butter to the pan. Spread it around. And then go ahead and add your fish. We are going to cook these until you get a little bit of white around the edges. It starts to get a little bit opaque. Once you see that, go ahead and flip them over. I'm going to temp these to about a 140-degree internal temperature. They will get to 145 while they rest. Don't throw away that stuff that's in the pan. You're going to want to keep it. To the pan, we're going to add our white wine, our chives, parsley, a little bit of dill, and some more of that white wine and garlic butter seasoning. Now, if you don't have that, just add some minced garlic. Stir it around. And when it's reduced, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a little bit of lemon juice. Stir that around, and when it makes a track through the sauce, it's done. Taste it for flavor. And there it is. Here is your recipe. I want to thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.